Create undone waves and pull it up for an on-trend ponytail with a wavy fringe. Create your waves with an oval-shaped curler. Create 2 sections and clip the top away. Use a styling brush or comb and brush the base section from roots to ends. Release the top section and continue to brush. Split the hair from ear to ear through the crown, create a high pony and clip away. Brush the remaining hair up into a high ponytail. Secure once with a hair tie and then wrap the hair tie around the first ponytail. Take another section, wrap the hair around the base of the ponytail and secure with a pin. Use the styler to wave the front pieces. Use the styler to add more definition to the ponytail. Style and soften the look with your fingers. And that's how you create an on-trend wavy high ponytail with a fringe.